Hi, welcome to Sketch Safari. Today we're going to be drawing I'm giving you some clues first before the A dot is finished. So it is a farm animal, has hooves, is technically sometimes wild, probably in deserts or something. I don't really learn a lot of facts about this animal, but it's my favorite farm animal, so let me tell you, it's a horse. So today we're going to be drawing a horse step by step. So let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. So first we need a pink marker or anything for the ears, and a crayon, of course, and some like brown or silver. I don't know what color do you want to do with your horse, and some black for that. So let's get started. So first we're gonna do a circle. It's gonna be about like right here. Trace it very light and another circle like right up there. And then we're gonna kind of curve it in like right there. Like no more like pretending with this. And next we're gonna do the horse's nose, and then we can do it any creative spot like right here. And next we're going to do the eyes. So the eyes are going to be 2 circles, but the other circle is going to like have a little line like right here. And that means that we're going to have like lashes, of course, right here, because horses have lots of eyelashes. You might think some boys also have the eyelashes on for the horse, and we're gonna now do the eye and put a little pupil right in, and then we're gonna color half white of the circle and keep the circle right here with no darks in it. So next we're gonna do the ears, which are gonna be like about right here, and then put another triangle right inside that, and then like right there. And then we're gonna do the hair. You can do the hair any way you want, and then it's gonna go down like right there and be like that. Yeah. And then we're gonna do the neck, which is gonna be like this, and a little line right to it right there, and then a big half circle right there, and that's gonna be for the body. And then we're gonna put 2 lines about straight here, and then put a little square right there, and put another line as big as that, and then we're gonna put 2 half circles with a little dark in there. I'm going to put it like this, and then we're going to use this later for coloring. And then we're going to put a line like right here, kind of like an H, big H. And then we're going to top it off like that on top of these 2 lines. And next we're going to put this line, and then we're going to move it like that, like sideways smiley face, and then off to the line, and then make a square, and then off back where it started, and then this way we're going to do the tail right here, and the other leg, which is going to be right there, and of course put the 2 triangles in there, and now we're done. Now we're going to do coloring. Well, that was it. Did you have fun making the horse with me? So first, was it a horse? Was it awesome? Was it amazing? Did we have the shadow? And remember to like and subscribe and hit the bells below. And this was an awesome video. Bye! Excuse me.